You're listening to What's on Tap Guam, Guam Waterworks Authority podcast channel. Subscribe to get updates, information, and other topics of interest that concern Guam's most precious natural resource.
Hafa Adai. This is Miguel Bordallo of the Guam Waterworks Authority here with the June 9th update on Typhoon Mawar recovery. As of 8 p.m. today, GWA added another 2 wells to operational status, bringing the total to 88 wells, with 46 on island power and 42 running on generators. Total production from our wells is estimated at about 31.5 million gallons a day, bringing that water into our northern and central systems. While our pump and motor replacement teams were able to bring additional wells online, we continue to work to keep existing online wells in operation to increase reservoir levels in Yigo, Dededo, Barrigada, Mangilao, and Chaot. We also made progress in the Santa Ana area, restoring water service to all of Agat. Our southern water system continues to operate to meet customer demand. However, our pressure line unit battled 2 mainline breaks today in Mauricio and Santa Rita. In addition, we have had some issues with power fluctuations at some of our facilities, which is to be expected during recovery operations. What this means is that although we have restored service to 71% of our customers so far, events like these may result in temporary outages until they can be resolved, and we ask for your continued patience while we work to bring our systems to pre-storm conditions. GWA has completed another round of sampling and analysis from our distribution system today, with all samples coming back clear of any contaminants. However, our precautionary boil water notice remains in place out of an abundance of caution until we achieve normal pressurization in all parts of our distribution system. You can get additional information at guamwaterworks.org/Mawar updates. Thank you and have a good night.
For more information, visit guamwaterworks.org or call customer service at 671-647-7800. To reach our 24/7 dispatch, call 671-646-4211.